Hello, good day and welcome. I will be answering NECO 2019 Office Practice Past Question 25. The following are qualities of a receptionist except A. Confidence, B. Courtesy, D. Flippancy, C. Flippancy, D. Neatness, and E. Politeness. Now, who is a receptionist? Who is a receptionist? Now, a receptionist is a person. Receptionist is a person that welcomes and directs visitors in an organization. Now, their work is usually performed at the front desk of an organization called the reception, and in most cases they are the first business contact that a person meets in an organization. In most cases, receptionists, they are the first business contacts a person meets in an organization. And so therefore, for the effective run of an organization, a receptionist must possess good characters and good qualities. Now the question says the following are qualities of a receptionist except. Now A says confidence. Now confidence is a good quality of a receptionist. That is, it's one of the quality of a receptionist. A receptionist should have right attitude to work. They should have right attitude to work and must be confident in his or her duty. Must be confident in order to tackle every difficult situation. So confidence of a receptionist enables them to tackle every difficult situation. Now B here says courtesy. Courtesy is also a quality of a receptionist. A receptionist must be cautious, cheerful, and have a pleasant speaking voice. Now D here says neatness. Neatness is also a quality of a receptionist, because it is ensured and compulsory that a good receptionist must always dress neatly and smartly. Now E says politeness. Yes, politeness is also a quality of a receptionist. A receptionist must be respectful, honest, and truthful at all time. Now C here says flippancy. Now flippancy here just simply means what? Flippancy simply means lack of respect. Or seriousness. And this is not a quality of a receptionist at all, because a receptionist must be polite, must be respectful, cautious, truthful, and must be confident in his or her work. He must be tactful in order to solve every difficult situation. So flippancy, which is lack of respect or seriousness, is not a quality of receptionist at all. So the answer to this question is option C, flippancy. Thank you and God bless you, and subscribe to our channel for more videos.